evening, traders and traders. Y'all know it is dreycosting back with another banger. Alright, so the play that we called out yesterday played out nicely. Right, I called it a quick little 40 pip move. Y'all know that's my style. Catching those quick 40 pips. So 40 pips is generally my TP. Typically on a 20 pip stop loss on average, catching 1 to 2. So I'm very good at catching that. I just really want to maximize some bigger move, but I guess that will come with time. But I'm very good at not getting stopped out, very good with my entries, very patient, very strong a strong mindset in trading. So I just really want to continue to get better and better and better and better, right? So alright, so notice that I have like this zone right here, right? I was saying that price wanted to come here, but really and truly notice that price shift, retest and come back to the trend line, right? And when it came back to the trend line, what happened? Look where I entered, right? So bearish candle closure, wick at the bottom, bullish candle closure, wick at the bottom of PPI. And notice that I entered when this bullish candle closed, right? I entered when this bullish candle closed. Yesterday I had a 14 pip stop loss. Today I have a 28 pip stop loss. So that's one of the things that I used to do wrong in trading initially. I used to wipe out the stop loss, trying to get tight stop loss and all of that. But what I do now is that I place stop loss based on the structure. So some days structure might be a little bit wide, about 30 pips. Some days I might get 20 pips on the structure. Some days I might get 14 pips like yesterday. You get what I'm saying? Some days I probably will get 10 pips. You know? But what I'm not going to do, I'm not going to go all the way up to 50 pips. You know what I mean? But so I like to keep my stop loss somewhere between 15 and 30 pips. That's my comfort zone. So it's all about what structure is doing, and I still take my same 40 pips. So it's 14 pips, I take my 40 pips, 20 pips, I take my 40 pips, 30 pips, I just take my 40 pips. You get me? So because I know the type of system that I've gone cool getting 40 pips. So I was reasoning with my friend Randy a while ago, and I was saying like, yo, is it that I'm too greedy? You know, because you have other traders out there just making millions just off 30, 40 pips. You know what I mean? Is it that, you know what I mean? I don't know, but somewhat I'm not feeling happy that I can catch these moves just like that. But I don't know. I probably just need to load up some funded accounts, and I guess when 30, 40, 50 funded accounts being copied, making millions of 40 pips, I guess it make a difference. So let's see. Alright. So though they come to this zone, right? It still came back to the trend line, so it's just the flow. So the flow could have been like it just came back here, or as you see right here, shift retest lower high and it come back here to the trend line. So it's all about coming to the trend line. It's all about buys about 186.957 and sell below here. So it's all about that, right? So notice that you had support being formed, bearish candle closure, wick at the bottom, bullish candle closure, wick at the bottom, and you enter when the candle close, not when it's moving. When the candle close, or enter when the candle close. So what are we looking at now for tomorrow? So you're seeing right here where this push, right, it did not break this high, right? So we have to be careful. This push did not break this high. We cannot buy at a swing high, right? We buy at swing lows, right? So we buy at the higher lows, right? So we cannot buy at a swing high. You follow what I'm saying? Cannot buy at a swing high. So it did not make a higher high to come back right here, create a higher low. So that was the movement. So you have to be careful, right? So this high is lower than this one, right? Or that can consider as a double top, right? But this high is definitely lower than this, right? So it's lower. So it's a possibility that price can make a little small downtrend move. So you have to be careful. So what's the play then, right? So let's push this up here, being that this is the low right here now. Right, so that's the low being created. Bam. Alright. So price can come back and make some form of a double bottom right here. Alright, so let me show you an example. Alright. Where can I find a nice example to show you guys? Alright. Look at this like play right here, right? A bam low, right? Notice that this high is lower than this one, right? But this low right here did break it, say maintain, and came here and create a double bottom, right? Triple bottom, and then move off, right? You follow what I'm saying? So price can simply come back right here, yeah, make a double bottom, right? Wait for support to form again, yeah, and then you can look to move. Then you can look to push off again, because this was actually the move for the entire day. This is not the typical GJ move. That's kind of, you know, this kind of bad price action for the day, you know what I mean? But even with my system, I can still catch on nice at the 30, 40 pips, you know what I mean, the bad price action. So what we want to do, we can either wait for price to retrace here back to 187 around this region right here, 423, wait for support to form, bam bam, right? And then look to continue up with that double bottom. Or right, so let me show you. There's a situation where this can be formed, right? So something like this can be formed, like a wedge, right? So what if it's something like this form of wedge action form, right? Bam, 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 and then move off. You get me? So it's a situation where that can be formed. Or what's the situation where price, so that's scenario 1, right? So that's scenario 1. So scenario 2, right? Price can continue up. Don't jump on the train. Allow price to continue up. Retrace back to this zone right here. Right? I'm gonna put that zone. Retrace back to about there, right? Where this now you have all roof with the N, because with the U, new floor, right? All roof, new floor. Back to here, you get me at 188 to 90, and then once it comes back to the trend line, wait for support to form, and then you could look to continue to buy, right? So that can be a situation that you're looking at as well. So that's scenario number 2, right? All right, and the third scenario, which is this the one I'm probably looking for, you know, but I also have to see how price action looks when you get up at pre-London. So let me get rid of this, right? Just saw that play, right? So, right, if you being that this is the low, if you see GJ break through the low, retest, create a lower high, form resistance, right? Bullish candle closure, bearish candle closure, wicks at the top, then you just look to sell, come down. Simple as that, right? Simple as that. Yeah. So this is the zone that we're looking at. This is the zone that we're looking at, the 187.423 zone right here. All right. So the buys above here. All right, and sells below here, right? All right. So that's what we're looking at. All right, and possibly buy here. All right. So GJ doesn't come back to here and create support with that double bottom, as I said, that's possible that you can move from here, shift, create a higher high, retest right here, so create a higher low, wait for support to form to continue up, or break here, this, that, or come right here, double bottom, create a double bottom, form support, and then you look to move off the zone, right? But do not, once again, do not try to buy here, right? Because you can look, try to buy here, say you put stop loss here, price reject here, and then just come take off of the stop loss. So wait on one out of those 3 confirmations, please, right? Wait on one out of those 3 confirmations, right? Just wait on them. Just be patient and wait on them, right? If you have any question, I know that kind of tedious with those 3 scenarios a while ago, right? But if you have any questions, please the message in the comment section, right? And I'll be there to answer every single question that is asked, right? So until tomorrow, straight balling, no story. I'm out.